What is waltz? Waltz is a very classic slow dance that we use very commonly for weddings and especially in the ballroom industry, an incredibly popular partner dance.
So waltz is a slower, romantic dance. There are patterns that stay in place if you don't have much space, but has the ability to travel on the room, picture Beauty and the Beast type of feeling, just swirling around in your beautiful ball gown. That's the feeling of the waltz, and it can be danced to any song with a 3/4 timing, typically slower.
Different than the Viennese waltz. Viennese waltz is much faster, travels around the room a lot more. Different than our wedding version of our Viennese waltz, which we kind of made it single time, so it's much, much slower. But a traditional waltz is that classic box step you've always known and heard of, very, very slow version of the dance.
And if you want to get started and learn your waltz dance, be sure to check out our free syllabus. I'm going to link it here down below. We also have more advanced variations up on our website for you, so I'm also going to link that for you. Enjoy your waltz dancing journey. Bye.